Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this following video, I'll show you how can you join private server link on Roblox Mobile. In order to join a private server link on Roblox Mobile, you just have to follow these steps. So first of all, what you want to do is make sure to launch the Roblox application, and here you have to make sure to change some or make some changes. So go to the more icon from the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. So click on the option of accounts. So here you want to go ahead and make sure to click on privacy and content maturity. Here what you need to do is make sure to change it or enable it to everyone. So for example, if your friend is inviting you to join a private server, then you could just go ahead and make sure to enable it to friends only. Similarly, if you want everybody or anybody to send you a private invite link, then you could just go ahead and make sure to enable it. So after which, what you want to do is exit out of this page and then open up the link where you have it, or the private link that you want to join, and once you click on it, you'll be able to see the pop-up menu. So make sure to enable all of that permissions, and with that being said, you'll have successfully joined private server link on Roblox Mobile. Also make sure to follow some of the on-screen prompt that I might have missed out. So that's the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.